Hi guys, welcome to JA Maths Teach, where maths is a must. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Okay guys, so we are continuing from the last video, relation, functions, and the graphs. Let's go. So in our last video, we looked at this question: which of the following best describes the function? What you are to do is try and figure out what the pattern is between the first set of values and the second set of values. I was able to right away realize that 3 was being added to each of the x values, and so I quickly surmised that the answer would have been C. F of x is equal to x plus 3, because these are our x values, so it could not have been y plus 3. It is certainly not y equal to x, because the same numbers in the first set is not the same numbers in the second set. And we already have the values of x. It's the values of x that determine the values of y, so it could not have been B. Okay, let's move on. Which of the following diagrams illustrates a function? Now remember that a function is a relation where each element in the domain is mapped to only one element in the range. So A would be out because we have the second circle here going to 2 things in the second set. B is also out because again we have this second circle being mapped to 2 things in the second set. And remember, a function, each input is only mapped to one output. Let's look at C. Again, C is also out. This same second circle seems to be a troublemaker. It is being mapped to two items. So C is out. And if we look at D, first circle is going to one circle, second circle is going to one circle. It might be the same as the first, but it's still going only to one. And the third circle is also only going to 1. So our answer is D. So for a function, each input is mapped to only one output. Next question. The graph of the inequality in the diagram above is defined by what? Alright, so let's look at it. Let's look at the direction of the line. So we see that the line is going to the left. Alright, if it is going to the left, then you should realize that that is less than. So it means that x is less than 1. There's no or equal to because the circle is not shaded. So it's not inclusive of 1. So x is less than 1. The point is going to the less than. So x is less than 1. So our answer is A. Question 48. If f of x equals 2x squared minus 1, then what is f of negative 3? So we know that we substitute the value of negative 3 where x is, and we calculate. And we remember that we must do the squaring first. So it is 9 multiplied by 2 minus 1. So that's 18 minus 1, and we know that is 17. Next question. We saw this question before, but the answers might have been rearranged. Which of the following statements best describes the function? So again, x equal y plus 3? No, it's not y plus 3. So A is out. B, y equal 2x plus 1. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. It works for the first one. But then 2 times 5, 10 plus 1, 11. It doesn't work for the second one, so that is out as well. 3 minus x. F of x equals 3 minus x. 3 minus 2, that's 1, so that's definitely not it. And then f of x equals x plus 3, so that these are the x values, plus 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. So our answer is definitely D. Which of the following represents the graph of a function? And you should know that each input is only mapped to one output. So our answer is A. And you can also do the vertical line test to prove that. Next question. The inequality above is defined by, and again, these two circles are unshaded. That means our two inequality signs should not have any underlining to represent or equal to, or to represent the inclusiveness. So our answer would be D. X is x, you read from the middle, x is greater than -2, x is less than 3. And we just did this question a while ago. You should know our answer is C, 17. Oh no. 17. Question 47. The relationship that best describes the mapping shown in the diagram is... Okay, let's look at it. So we have this first dot here going there. We have this one going to 1. We have this one going to the same one. And we have this one going to that one. Then we have this one going to that one. So we do not have more than, we don't have one going to more than one, right? But we have more than one going to the same one. So our answer would be B. That is many to one. And number 48 is repeated. Again, we replace the x with the -3. -3 squared, 9. 9 times 2, 18. 18 minus 1, 17. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Remember to click on the link below this video to quiz yourself. Once you're finished, you'll get the results and you'll know where you went wrong and what video you need to watch again to cement the correct answers. All the best!